Hey YouTubers, it's me again. Look up at the sky. It started drizzling. There's our little thingy, canopy, but it stopped drizzling. But it's gonna start raining again. I'll keep y'all posted and all that, but love you. Add, rate, subscribe, and comment my videos or on my YouTube wall, whichever y'all do. Be nice. See, the sun is trying to peek out, but it can't. It's like there, and stuff just starting to drop. So, I'll keep y'all updated, YouTubers. Bye. Oh.